Happiness is free and is also a choice. This is welcoming you to Juliet's Relationship Corner. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I present to you topics on love, dating, relationship, and every other thing in between. So, in today's topic, I'm going to share with you how to heal after heartbreak. How to heal after heartbreak. Lots of people that went into a heartbreak thinking that is the end of the road for them, thinking that is the end of the world for them. Let me just tell you this afternoon, it's not the end of the road. You can heal and be happy. That your past relationship failed does not mean that you will not meet a good person that you have a good relationship with. So the ability for you to move on with your life, the ability for you to accept that the person in question wasn't your match, that the person in question wasn't meant for you in the first place, the better for you. Because I see a lot of people killing themselves, committing suicide when their guy left them. You as a lady or you as a man, when your lady left you, you fall sick because of heartbreak, because you never expected it to happen. You never expected for it to happen so soon. But it does happen. So that is heartbreak for you. But the ability for you to get up and stand firm and move on with your life, that is what is more paramount. Because once you are healed, happiness is sure. The ability for you to refine yourself, the ability for you to move on, the ability for you to check yourself out and know the way forward, so that in your next relationship, anything, you will be perfect. Anything that went wrong in the past relationship, you will not want it to reoccur in your next relationship if actually the breakup is your fault. Why do I say this? Because in my previous topic, I explained the 3 reasons why you are in a relationship. You can still go back and watch that video. So there must be a purpose. Someone is in your life. Someone can be in your life for a reason. Someone can still be in your life for a season. And someone can be in your life for a lifetime. So when these 3 things are being checked, if that person that left your life, that you felt that broke your heart, left, the reason why he or she left is because he is not in your life. He or she wasn't in your life for a lifetime. They were in your life for a season or for a reason. And when that reason or season is being accomplished, they left. So the ability for you to move on, is what matters. So today, you learn how to heal. Move on. Remove everything about that past. Forget the past relationship you had. Focus on the future. Focus on the right person that is coming by. Focus so that you will not miss the person that is coming for you, the right person that is coming for you. Because most of the times, maybe you went through heartbreak, you will not see yourself that the next person that is coming, you will think that the person will behave as the one that left. It's not like that. Everybody has his or her own individual differences. That Mr. A left you doesn't mean Mr. B will leave you. So some people, because of the grievances they felt in the past, even some ladies now say they don't want to have anything to do with men. That is not true. Everybody is not bad. And the person that left you might not be bad just because the person wasn't meant for you to be in your life for a lifetime. That is why the person left you. So you moving ahead is so paramount. You making a move is so paramount. Forgetting the past and focus on the future. So remove everything that will bring you back to that memory. If you have the pictures of your guys or your lady on your phone, please delete it. Delete it. Don't keep any memory of that person. Move on. If you move on, you've moved on. Don't think back. Don't call the person. Don't delete the person's number. Block the person if the case as the case may be. Remove everything about that person from your mind. Remove everything about the person from your mind so that you focus on the next step. And remember, when you leave when you are heartbroken, please don't rush into a new relationship. Please take your time to know what you want. Take your time to know what exactly you want in life, what type of relationship you want to be into, what type of man or woman you want in your life, and you walk towards that direction. Know what you want. No, don't settle for less because the previous one didn't work out. You felt that okay, you want to jump into this one because the person is available. Don't jump into a relationship because the person is available. No. Take your time, know what you want, heal appropriately, heal very well from your past relationship. Make sure you are healed 100%. Make sure you are healed before you move ahead in the next relationship. So don't be in a hurry to jump into another relation just to make the other person feel bad. So take your time and know what you want. Once you know what you want in a relationship, just go for it. If you're in that relationship for a period of time, just let the person know that you are in this relationship for a period of time, that you're not in that relationship for a lifetime, or you are in the relationship for a reason. Or if you're in a relationship for a lifetime, just let the person know, let that partner know that, see, look at your intention, look at what you have in mind. So when the relationship is defined, you find out that everything will work smoothly. And once that relationship is defined, there is need for communication in that relationship, because once there is steady communication, you are going to settle your conflict amicably without any problem or without any quarrels. Know what you want, define it, and know the approach to use. Forget about the past, focus on the future, because good things is coming. So if you are healing from heartbreak, please heal. Heal very well, heal fast. Don't see it as the end of the world. You are not the only person that have passed through heartbreak. So be happy, embrace yourself, move ahead, build on yourself this time around. This is the time you will need to build on yourself. Know what you want, know your do's and don'ts, know what you want in life, and work towards your dream. If you work towards your dream, you will see your relationship, the next relationship, being fulfilled in your life. So, ladies and gentlemen, I know that if you are passing through heartbreak, be healed. Be healed and move on. Move on. Ladies and gentlemen, move on. Don't feel bad. Don't remain under your heartbreak. Don't think about that woman. Don't think about that man. Don't curse the person. The person might not be in your life for the rest of his or her life. The person wasn't in your life for a lifetime. That is why it happened. So accept it, because if you force it, you will still live in the near future. So it's good for you to break now than to break during marriage. Even if maybe you married the wrong person and there is need for divorce, for your happiness, if the other party is seeking for divorce, why are you holding it? Why are you forcing it? You don't force happiness. You don't force love. You don't force marriage. If somebody said he or she doesn't want you again, please live for your life. Live for your happiness. Because happiness is so paramount. Happiness is free. Don't let anybody deprive you from happiness. Being happy is the best you can do for yourself this year. No matter the heartbreak you have seen in the past, no matter whatever you've seen in the past, just tell yourself that somebody out there is going to appreciate you just one day. That you are going to meet a person that is in your life, that will come into your life for a lifetime. So, ladies especially, please don't settle for less. Don't think maybe you are 40, you are 40 something, that time is against you. Ladies, please don't, because of age, rush into what's that, to enter into something that you regret in the future. Please. So take care of your mindset and know what you want. Know actually what you want and what you want to achieve. So with these few points, I believe I've made some points to you. I believe you've learned something today. So if you have any question, feel free to leave it on the comment section. If you have any information, if you have any story you want to share with me, please do well and share it. And if you are new to this channel, please do well and subscribe. And remember, I'll be dropping a resource about this issue on the description box. Feel free to click on the link and try and read that resource. It's very important. From heartbreak to happiness, your survivor blueprint. The blueprint is so amazing for somebody that wants to heal. So feel free to take that blueprint and read it, digest it, and move on with your life in happiness, because definitely happiness is free. Nobody is worth dying for. Nobody is worth stressing yourself for. So take care of yourself. Have a lovely day. Bye for now. See you on my next video.